Let's. All right. Hello, guys. Happy New Week. You see, everybody's happy. Crazy enough, I didn't add this part. I even took an L last week.
Normal
So,
level.
Euro JPY. Yes, that's the L I took. I it did the up and down. I don't want to say that the stop loss was tight, but it's all right. It's all good. Am I still interested in this pair? Yes. How many pips stop loss? 65. Okay, cool. So yeah, I took an L on this pair and I'm still gonna wait for the same thing, basically. So I'm waiting for rejection. But let's go from the first pair. So we had a buy bias on GU, which did not happen. And this week I'm interested in selling this pair. Yeah, just a little pullback. I didn't take this trade, so let me delete this. So normally the plan was this from last week analysis, but I think I've deleted the part two. So now we are selling now. It's now officially bearish. I was interested in selling this pair last week. It did come here. I can't remember why I did not take this trade. I don't know whether I was not active. I know I nearly didn't take a trade last week, but I don't know why I didn't take this pair. I can't remember. This day was when? Tuesday. Yeah, I can't remember. I don't know why I didn't take this pair, but yeah, this way it opened from this area, yes. So I was like either from here or if it can manage to touch here. So let's see. This was Monday. Yeah, I think I just don't know why I didn't take this pair. Maybe I wasn't just online that day. GBP card. I wanted to sell. I have to delete this too because that pullback did not happen. Market opened with a gap, as you can see. This was the gap. Market opened with a gap, and Monday it went up and it closed there, and they just took off, and I never had the opportunity to take the trade, sadly. So, am I still interested in this pair? Yeah, man, because actually, I can be interested, but I don't want to counter trade because Gaga said I should be a good boy. So I'm not going to counter trade today. Feel me? So yeah, I'm no
Okay.
longer counter trading for now. I want to just stick to something direct. So I'll only just be taking pro trend trades. So USD JPY, this never gave me my entry. I think Gaga, you're still on this trade now, right?
No.
Why? What happened?
We've hit TP and gone now. I was selling before.
Uh, so wait. So you sold from like this year to year?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was now wondering, as you say you hit TP and go, I was not surprised. And I say,
Mm.
So I'm interested still. I'll just be waiting for a break below here, maybe a pullback and confirmation. And yeah, I still like this pair. I would like to see a little market structure, most likely on the 4 hours. It's already at the area of interest. I like everything about this pair. I'm still interested in the sales. The only thing that will change my bias about this is if it happens like this, I'll just wait for a pullback and I'm buying this pair to the moon. So for now, I'm still very much bearish. I like it, so let's take it up. GBP card, no, we are not trading you. Euro JPY, I'm okay. Actually, I'm still on a running trade. I took an L, yes, true. In another account, I took this same trade, but from like the entry was a little bit higher, so my stop loss is here. So I'm still, I'll just leave this for now. I'm not going to talk about it or look at it. USD card. I've not been bad to take this trade, but it's like doing the same thing because I don't want to say the move has happened, but this is where we wanted to take the trade from. Yeah, last week. Or let's see if it can go a little bit higher. If I'm still interested now, I still wanted to come back here again and I sell off. Yeah, but I don't think I want to do that. Euro USD. So you see how we're interested in buy. The buy did not happen. And you see how it sold off. The market also opened. Oh, it was my EMU. I was thinking this was part. Yeah, a market also opened with a gap. So I don't know if I should be looking at this, but it's very much bearish. The weekly, we can technically still call it bullish, but the daily is bearish. The 4 hours should be bearish. Mm-hmm. Mm, for now, I think let me look at others first, and I'll know whether it's what's taking. Yes, I am interested in this pair. Still the same area I took this buy from. I know this pair has been unstable for a while. It's not a counter trade, but I can still call it a counter trade based on the weekly. Now, if you recall, Gaga, when I took this trade, I think it was 2 weeks ago, it didn't
Mm,
have this weekly closure of a bullish engulfing, right?
okay.
And yes, it's still the same key area I'm looking at, this strong weekly area of interest. Now, this gives me, let me say, a better confirmation. It gives me that, let me say, higher probability that, okay, maybe it's ready now. So now the daily change structure is kind of like left head, right shoulder kind of thing. So when I took this trade, then it was like this. This was the trade, yeah. This was the trade I took. So the pullback was what I took. And this is where I seen this red candle, this bearish candle rejection here, and it reversed against me. And now I'm taking something similar, but the difference now is higher now. It came back low again like this, as good as say making invalidating this trade, but now it went higher again. All I just need is a pullback, and I'm taking this trade. I like how it looks. The daily is, we can call it bullish now. We can call this a left head, right shoulder. I just want to pull back to the neckline. So 4 hours, perfect. I want to see, like, see this 4 hours now. You can see, let's use this. You see, like, if I recall that week, you see it was consolidating. It has this proper breakouts now. And you can see, all I just want to see is a pullback, which it already was having this pullback, but I just want it better. Need to be more pullback to the area of interest. Take it from this zone. We might not even need to wait for any serious thing, actually. Let's see 2 hours. Yeah, 1 hour. Wow, I really want this pullback to happen. 30 minutes. Yeah, if the pullback can happen, I'll take the trade, maybe with any candlestick confirmation. Except I want to wait for 15 minutes to come here, and but I won't be doing that. So yeah, I'm very much interested in this. It's like my top pair for the week. GBP AUD. I will leave this one for now. This one is still, yeah, it's similar to GN now, same pattern, giving engulfing at this strong key level, as you can see, resistance, support, support, resistance, sorry, support, 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 strong area, will it hold? You never know. It broke above, we tested, everything is lined up, we can make another pullback. 4 hours is very much bullish, but as you can see, daily is bearish. 2 hours, everything bullish on the lower time frame, but I'll just let this one go. Yo, GB, wow, 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 wow. Ah, should I be interested in you? I never took this buy, so go. Should I be interested in you? All right, I like this area here, but what are the odds that the market will come back here this week? You never know. All right, so weekly, very strong engulfing. Almost forming a left head, right shoulder. If you break below, retest on the weekly. So I'll be waiting for a pullback to this zone. Although this happened kinda, uh, let's see as it goes. No, I'm more interested in this. I'm more interested. NZD USD. Proper counter trade, but I never took this pair. We marked this up last week, this box, and it literally sold from the box. Hmm. Nice pair, but I'm not interested. AUD USD. Ah, this trade, we took a sell on this trade a long time. Finally smashed our TP, although we're no longer on this trade, sadly. Hmm. Hmm. I'm interested in this Gaga.
What do you say?
Are you interested in this? I
I'm
like
not
this.
sure.
Yeah, I kind of like the fact that I gave this engulfing, maybe just a pullback and I find sales, but I don't want to just counter trade. I would have loved to see what market will do if it gets to this area. Maybe I'll just mark it out and observe for learning purposes so that I'll know how I'll be doing in times of if I really want to be counter trading. So let's see, 4 hours. Yeah, actually, just a little pullback here and continuation of the sales. NZD USD. More interested. AD card. Okay, yes, this is the one I'm interested in. Yeah, I remember now. I'm more meant to be looking at AD USD. Yeah, so, whoa, damn, bro, you seen this? Are you seeing this?
Eh?
Are you seeing this move?
Hmm.
Ah, I think we are seeing this engulfing, this big evening star formation. So, anyways, let's see. Daily became bearish, break 4 hours, bearish, 2 hours, 1 hour. Okay, so basically all I'm looking for is simple. Yeah, I think I remember this pair now. I'm just gonna wait for this and sell back to here. Pretty easy. Nothing else. GBGG, not interested. Ah, card JPY. Where are you buying to now? Where are you running to? Not interested. ADCHF, not interested. USDCHF, not interested. NZD, ooh, wow. It's made a nice move already. More interested. CHF GPY, nope. GBP CHF, nope. UAUD, wow. This one is just going and going and going. Will we ever reverse? We'll be waiting. Okay, we mark this. Let's see how it goes in future. Gold is at 517. Interesting. 80 NZD, not interested. US 30. Wow. This has been a nice trade setup. Left head, right shoulder from last week. And sweet sales. Yeah. But I I don't think I'm interested in you. Ooh, ooh. Except I want to counter trade, but I don't want to, so I'll leave you. Yeah, and that's 100 daily. Not interested. NZDJPY, nope. ADJPY, okay. So not a lot I'll be looking at then. Yeah. Okay. GNG. So in order, GU is my first pair for the week. GN looks likely to happen. AD USD, no, will have to be the second. AD card and GN, which one? Yeah, GN and AD card. USD card will be the last. Might not even be interested in it. And UJ. So I'll just set my alert for UJ at the moment. Yeah, and that is it for me. So we just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can add this one as 6, but yeah, that's it basically for me. Yeah, that's it for me. Let me stop sharing so you fire down. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Dear fat boy. Fat boy, Chuka, one name, Alima. Please, you know me. Ah,
Mm,
wow. It's funny because me and my guy were looking at this pair today.
mm.
Yeah, don't worry. Just as soon as I just saw, I'm like, wow. I just because I was telling him that my friend trades this pair. It's all right. I was telling me about um ah, J222 something like that. It's a JPY something.
Which one?
J2222 something like J something J225 is something about JPY.
Like a pair?
Yes, it's a pair. It's like
Oh,
index.
uh, okay. Man. So German 30, I guess it needs to be like waiting to see when market opens or something because it's already like close to AOI. But basically, if you can go up a bit, great. Uh, Another possible major structural high, and then I get a closure below, I'll sell. Um, that's that for that. NZG where is the chart? Um, I just want to take, this one might take a while, but maybe it will be like midweek. I want price to come back here. Then I'll drop down to like 1 hour. When I get 1 hour closure below, I'll sell. So also let it go from his own major structure high somewhere around here. Uh, and then I'll sell. So maybe this is as a guide. Somewhere here. Okay, so I'll sell and get that. US 30, US 30. Similar thing, come here and get closure below. So, um, GBP card, GBP card, GBP card, trade is still ongoing. This one has 6 CP. Um, this one is still ongoing. So we see if I still get a pullback here again, I'll sell again. USD JPY, USD JPY. I think I'm just going to leave this one to see what happens. Kind of expecting new major structural heights to be created around here, then pullback would happen. Don't really want to. If at all, I might trade this on maybe like demo or something, but not hopefully just to see. But anyways, I shouldn't be selling. Ideally, that's what I guess I'm trying to say. But if there's an urge, do it on demo, not on my real account. So yeah, new major structural high should be formed and pull back, might even come back all the way here or whatever, but anyways, this is what it is. So for this week, I think I'm looking at this so far. I'm looking at these three. Within the week, I can always still pull up things because structure might be formed, but right now, these are the three that I'm working on. I also need to try and get a calculator or something because these pairs are kind of different on funding pips in terms of like leverage and all that. So I need to figure that out before I actually take the trades. At least for NU, that one is easy to calculate.
Now you
So that
just check the what they call it, is it the contract sizing or so no?
but that's what I'm saying. That funding pips one is different because I know there was a time when I was using funded next funding pips. Um, Even them, let's say you're trading US 30, the lot size you use, let's say you use 0.5 on funded next. If you can use that same zero point 0.5 or funded pips, it's two totally different things.
Mm-hmm. So just this four be five. I can't recall how many you were showing just now.
Three.
One, two. Okay, okay, that's sharp. That's sharp. That's sharp. Reactive, no, reactive. Any positive vibes for the week? Anything new you want to tell us? Want to preach for us?
Um, so this week I'm doing something different. I had an epiphany earlier on today.
Okay.
I think I'm going to kill the identity of trader. I'm not a trader. Um, I'm a cash officer. I realized that this thing is just a numbers game. There's nothing, there's
Mhm.
nothing serious to it. So I intend to act different, behave different, and all this coming week, and just not even just this coming week, like forever, because trading has nothing to do with this thing. It's just like me going back to be balancing vault and doing money stuff. So, anyways, that was my epiphany. So I'm killing the trader identity. I don't necessarily need to be a trader. I'm not even a trader. I'm a cash officer. So that's my new identity. Not my new identity, but that's the identity I'm going back to.
No,
Yeah.
that's
Clearing
good.
costs
That's
and
good. Yeah, I'm a driver. Okay, let me stop kidding. But we're gonna
okay.
drive the market crazy this period. Don't worry. So
Mm.
yeah, positive week to you, positive week to all of us. I know Timmy is not here with us, so a blue week as usual. Whether it's blue or not, we remain blue. Our life will be blue. The blue is a good color,
Amen.
anyways. So yeah, positive week. Jokes aside, now positive week. I'm actually positive about the new week. I think for me, I have like some personal things I want to just like run around and do and stuff. So I'm actually enthusiastic for this week, and I hope that joy will also go into the other side of my life and also in the trading side of my life as well. So yeah, positive week to us. We see you on Wednesday as usual. Stay jiggy. Don't forget the color of your G Wagon. So next time,
Oh, so
uh,
actually, okay, well, okay, yeah, don't worry, conclude. Sir.
I said don't forget the color of your G Wagon. So just in case,
Yeah.
next time I might call you and be like, what's the color of your G Wagon?
Mm. So I'm actually switching up on that now,
Uh,
though.
okay.
I actually did so again, like embodiment and all these things, right? Manifestations. I actually went to Ben's the other day and I drove it. I don't like the view. I
So
don't
which
like
one
the
are we
view.
getting now?
So now the one that caught my interest was uh GLE 53 AMG. That
Okay.
one had carbon fiber and everything. Like that one was crazy. More sporty, full exhaust and everything. That one was yeah, that one was more like it to me.
You don't want a Maybach.
I didn't just huh?
You don't want a Maybach.
Maybe I could require a drive. I'm too young to have somebody be driving me around right now.
Can't you drive a Maybach by yourself?
Maybach, well, personally, it's better to be in the back seat of a Maybach than you driving the Maybach.
So if you get a Rolls Royce too, you want to be in the back seat as well, no, definitely.
I'm not really into all those kind of cars or something. The one that I really just like is Benz. After Benz, I don't know what if it's not Benz or so. No,
Get
so I'm not really
yourself.
into those things.
Okay, fine. You might not like the drive of the G-Wagon, but for now, we're just getting it for the sake of getting it now. So the color of your G-Wagon is a blue G-Wagon, regardless of
Yeah,
anything.
for sure.
Capish?
Yeah, the dream is
Exactly.
still alive.
So you're buying the G-Wagon and an AMG. What model did you say? AMG, what did you just say? G what?
GLE 53.
GLE 53. So at the end of the day, you're buying the two. So that's the goal. And me, I'm buying my wicked red.
We'll tell
Pepper
you.
red, to be specific. Pepper red. In fact, don't worry. Let me not give the specifications right now.
Mm,
But we'll get the G-Wagon, we'll get the Lamborghini Urus, whatever I want to get. We're getting everything together. So all the same, a blue week like your G-Wagon that you have in hand already. So a positive week
okay.
for us. We see you on Wednesday as usual. Peace out, my G. Peace out.
Easy
Peace
peace,
out.
man.
All right, now easy.